we are going to have breakfast, and usually these breakfast places, they are called diners. So right now we are going to have a breakfast at a diner. But don't confuse it with dinner, because dinner, it is a food or meal that you have in the evening. This is diner, breakfast place. Okay, so right now we are at the breakfast place and we ordered some breakfast, and right now I'm gonna teach you some vocabulary that you're gonna need at the breakfast place. Okay, so this is coffee mug. This is some creamer that we can put in our coffee, and this is sugar. I like just regular sugar. So speaking about mugs, I am usually afraid of getting dirty mug, and I don't really like to drink something in a restaurant because I usually drink using straw. So straw, it's something that you can use to drink water. And this is our breakfast. So I have scrambled eggs, hash brown, sausages and bacon. So right now we are going to an amusement park. Amusement park, it is an outdoor area where there are a lot of different roller coasters and different types of activities for adults and kids. This is a line to the parking lot. And this is a parking lot. And these are roller coasters. Now we are standing in a line on a roller coaster. I have never been to roller coasters before in my life, so this is gonna be crazy and wet. Like to show you a really nice thing. So when you go to the roller coaster with water, you can use family dryer. It's so cool. You have to pay for this, but if you are soaking wet, you can use the family dryer and you can dry your clothes, your hair and so on. So when you're somewhere in an amusement park, always look for these directions, always look for these signs of directions, because you can get lost and you will be looking for your destination, for main activities and adventures that you wanted to try whole day. So always look for these signs. We have already tried one roller coaster. I think that I will try only one today because I'm actually afraid of roller coasters. So this one was my first experience in life, and I think this one will be the last one because this roller coaster wasn't so scary, but it was a lot of fun and it was extreme activity. These are alligators. And this is manatee. Look at this huge turtle. It's enormous. Okay guys, so right now I'm in our hotel room and I'm gonna teach you all the vocabulary you need to know when you're staying at the hotel. So we are going to start with the bathroom. So first of all, we are going to bathroom, and here we have a shower. In the shower you usually can find different shampoos, shower gels and so on. And of course you will always find fresh towels. Here I am. This room is like in a loft style, and here we see the sink, and this is a drain. This is a drain. And here we have some soap, cleansing bar. You see, it's not just a soap, it's a cleansing bar, like a chocolate bar, but cleansing bar. And what's this? This is a moisturizer, some moisturizer for your hands. And here we have some more fresh towels, and we have some napkins. Under the sink we have just extra toilet paper, like just in case. We have trash bin or trash can and more fresh towels, and of course it's really nice that they have hair dryer, because it's very important to have hair dryer in your hotel room, because if you wash your hair you have to dry it. So there is a hair dryer. So speaking about our hotel room, we have 2 queen size beds. So this is queen size bed and that one is queen size bed. So usually you can book single room or double room. So single room, it is when you're staying alone, and double room if you're staying with someone. In your room you can have different sizes of beds. For example, you can have king bed, you can have queen bed, you can have twin bed. So what is king bed? It's a huge bed. Queen bed, it's a little bit smaller than king bed, of course, and twin bed, it is when you have 2 small beds. In our room we have 2 queen beds, so we are a little bit lucky because they are not as huge as king beds, but queen beds are still fine and comfortable to sleep on. And of course, here we have a set of comfortable pillows. Here we have a phone, and this phone you can use if you want to order room service, like you want to order food, or you want your room to be cleaned, or you can ask for a wake me up call. This call will be, for example, if you are going to go to the airport or you have to be somewhere in the morning, you can ask the receptionist to call you in the morning and to wake you up. Here's our minibar, and usually you can put something in the fridge, like small fridge, and on the top we have coffee machine, we have 2 cups, we have some tea, we have creamers, and of course we have coffee. So they are just like complimentary drinks. You can use them in the morning if you want to drink coffee or tea. I know that a lot of people don't know what this thing is called. This is an ottoman. This is an ottoman. Here we have some loft style wardrobe, so it doesn't have any doors or something like that, but it has cloth hangers. And here we have, under it, we have a safe. It's a safety box, or just a safe. And of course, in order to open your hotel room, you need a key card. This is a key card. All the hotel rooms have key cards.